Welcome to Melac Online tutorial. Before us is this question in indices that says in bracket 16 over 81 all raised to the power of 1 over 4 divided by in bracket 9 divided by 16 all raised to the power of minus 2. Alright, let us simplify. First of all, let us simplify this to the simplest base, which is probably 2 here. Okay, so here we have 2 raised to the power of 4, because 2 raised to the power of 4 will give us this, and here 3 raised to the power of 4 will also give us this, all to the power of 1 over 4, then divided by, since here we have to change this to a base that will give us, that will have a power of 2, and that is 3 raised to the power of 2 over here we have 4 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power minus 1 over what 2. Okay, now let us recall that now since here we are having the same power, okay, let us do like this. Now let us multiply through with this power here. So here we have that 2 raised to the power of 4 all to the power of 1 over 4 over 3 raised to the power of 4, then divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2 over 4 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power minus 1 over 2. Okay, now take note that x, recall that x raised to the power of m all to the power of n is the same as, we give you x raised to the power of mn. Alright, using this rule, you can apply this here. So here you have 2 raised to the power of 4 over 4, that's what you multiply, then over 3 raised to the power of 4 over what? 4. Now divided by 3 raised to the power minus 2 over 2 over 4 raised to the power of minus 2 over what? 2. And now when we simplify further, this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. Be mindful of this minus. Here you have 2 raised to the power 1 over 3. Now divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 raised to the power what? Minus 1. Right? Now changing this. Now I want us to be very, very careful here. Okay? Now this, let me just simplify this just to ensure that you understand what I'm doing. So here you have 3 raised to the power minus 1 over 4 raised to the power minus 1. Now take note that x raised to the power minus 1 equals to 1 over what? X, right? Now you can see this is 1 over 3 over 1 over what? 4. Now this is same thing as saying 1 over 3 divided by 1 over what? 4, which is 1 over 3 times, changing the reciprocal of this, you have what? 4 over what? 1, right? So at the end of the day, you have 4 over what? 3. Okay, so with this now, we can now say that this is 2 over 3 divided by 4 over what? 3, right? Okay, which can also be simplified as changing now this to the sign of multiplication. This we have a reciprocal of this, so here you have 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. So you can now divide through this, cancel this, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So our final answer is 1 over what? 2. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, please subscribe and click on the notification button if you are new, and ensure please to share these videos with others alike. Thank you.